Hi, I'm Satheesh, an electronics and communication graduate from GC Salem. I'm happy to share that I have been placed in Cadence Design Systems. My journey with this institute has been very valuable to me. At first when I started, I had interest in VLSI, but I was not fully confident about RTL design verification or how to prepare for industry level opportunities. But through this training, I was able to build a strong foundation in digital design, Verilog, system Verilog and EVM fundamentals. The best part was that the learning was not just theoretical, but through practical projects, I was able to understand how a real verification is done and how to debug programs and how to explain my projects with confidence. The guidance from the trainers were really helped me to improve my confidence, my interview preparations as well as my technical knowledge. I truly believe that this training has played an important role in helping me move one step closer to my career in VLSI industry. I truly thankful to the institute and the trainers for their continued support and guidance. I carry this learning forward as I begin my journey into the VLSI industry. Thank you.